Hey, this is Leek with Leek's Hot Sauce Review. Today we're bringing to you Nature's Revenge hot pepper fruit jerky snacks. And these are great snacks. I've had these before and I reviewed them on my Facebook page, but I've never eaten a whole fruit roll up and I've never eaten two of the fruit roll ups. So this is going to be interesting. And I want to thank Wolf and Beth Rebels from Louisville, Kentucky for sending this in. Nature's Revenge. And they sent in for Leek to review two of their jerkies. We got the Pineapple Revenge and the Strawberry Reaper. And I can tell you right now, the Strawberry Reaper is extremely hot. And we're going to read a little bit about each of them, and I'm going to tell you a little about each of them before I eat them. It says, thank you for choosing Nature Revenge Pepper Company. This fruit and pepper treat is all natural and handmade by our small family business. It contains nothing but pineapple, applesauce, and yellow fatale peppers. Pure ingredients and a compliment to quality and service from our family to you is our promise. Heat is a 6 of 10 on his wolf scale. Pretty darn hot, he says. This is not the fruit roll-up your mama gave you. Nature's Revenge Pepper Company. The web store is etsy.com/shop/Nature's Revenge, and the email is nature'srevengepeppers@gmail.com. And that's Wolf and Beth Rebels from Louisville, Kentucky. We're going to open this dude up and try it out for Wolf. These are some great looking fruit roll-ups. They come wrapped up in the paper just like a fruit roll-up. Check that out. You can see all the pepper flakes in it. Look at that. You can see all the texture of the peppers in it. We're going to pull the paper off and try this out. That's a big strip right there. That's some good looking stuff. Oh, it's got a sweet pineapple smell to it. It smells like a fruit roll up. It's got the same texture. Same stretchy texture. We're going to try this out for Wolf. Wolf and Beth. Here we go. The Pineapple Revenge. You can taste the pineapple right off the bat. Real sweet. It's got a little bit of burn. It's starting to build more and more. This is the Pineapple Revenge. And the heat is really starting to build. And the sweetness was real intense at the first, and now the heat's overtaking the sweetness. It's warm. This ain't the fruit roll up you grew up with. This is one hot dude right here. That's the Pineapple Revenge. Nature's Revenge Pepper Company. Now, we're going to try the Strawberry Reaper. I'm already on fire for the Pineapple Revenge. But I told my brother Wolf I was going to try both of these at the same time. So here we go with the other one. Here we go, Wolf. Thank you, brother. It's going to burn. Comes in the same form as the other one there. But look at the chunks of pepper all in that. You can just see it all in it. Oh my goodness. I'm still on fire from the first one. So I'm kind of waiting a minute. Stalling for time here. Trying to get the rest one out of my mouth. It was sweet and good. Very good. And here comes the Reaper. Let's pull the paper off this baby and try it out. Here we go. I love strawberries. That's the Strawberry Reaper, made with the world's hottest pepper, Carolina Reaper. Strawberries and Reaper go good together. That's a good snack. For a true chili head, because this is burning. This one, let me read the back of it. No, hang on, let me swallow this first. This is hot. Wolf brother, set me on fire. Wow. Folks, you gotta go get some of this stuff. If you're a chili head, you gotta go get some of this stuff. This stuff is great. I said, thank you, Jesus. Pretty much this is other same stuff as the other packages. But it's got the Carolina Reaper and strawberries, organic sugar, and Carolina Reapers in it. And it's very darn hot on wolf scale. You know, I gotta say, it's very darn hot. I want to thank Wolf and Bev for sending these in. You can get this at etsy.com/shop/Nature's Revenge. And Wolf's email is nature'srevengepeppers@gmail.com. This is Leek, the Leek's Hot Sauce Review. I'm gonna go grab a glass of water. You got me, brother. Thanks, Wolf.